Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this DIY tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make what I'm calling the floating bead flip-flop. It's super easy to make and it's very fast. What I love about customizing flip-flops is that they're so inexpensive, and for just a couple of more dollars you can make them into something that you really like. So if you think this is cute and you want to add this to your wardrobe, stay tuned and I'll show you the tools I use to get this look. For this project, I used E6000 glue, pink ribbon, and pink flip-flops. I also used 8mm glass strung beads and illusion cord. My first step is to restring the beads onto the illusion cord. As you're restringing the beads, you want to keep two things in mind. The first is that the beads are strung loosely, and the second is that the cord is able to wrap around at least one strap of the flip-flop, but preferably both. This is an example of what I meant by cording the beads very loosely and making sure that you have a long cord. You need to have enough to tie around the straps of the flip-flop, or wrap around rather. So I'm gonna go ahead and secure this on one end of the strap and start wrapping it so that you can get an idea of what I mean. So hopefully you can see this. I knotted the cord onto the bottom of the strap, and now I'm gonna wrap the beads around the strap of the flip-flop. I just wanted to check in and show you how the cord works. So the cord is keeping the beading tight and it's keeping the spacing. So this is just, as you can see, you can pull it tighter, you can make it looser. Once I'm happy with how the beads are laying, then I will go ahead and secure it even further with the E6000 glue before I add the ribbon. The beading is now secured. I am going to cut off the remaining cord, glue these down, and start wrapping the flip-flop with the pink ribbon. My next step is to use the ribbon to kind of cover the knotted part of the cord. So I'm just going to put a little dab of glue here and start wrapping the ribbon all the way around the strap of the flip-flop. It won't completely cover the cord because, as you can see, this part will still show. I don't even know if you can see that because it's kind of invisible, which is the point. But it'll cover most of it, and it'll also help secure the beading onto the strap of the flip-flop. This is the flip-flop so far, and I wanted to show you, if your piece of ribbon ends up being too short, just make sure you secure it, cut it off, and then start with the new piece. It's not a big deal. And I'm really happy that I was able to find a ribbon color that completely matched the flip-flop, because as you can see, in some spaces the ribbon wasn't able to get directly underneath the beading, so it kind of peeks through. But you could also use a contrasting color. I think that would look really cute too. So for instance, if I had used black ribbon and then the pink showed through, I think that would be really cute as well. So I'm going to keep going and show you the final result. As a reminder, this is the unfinished flip-flop, and this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have a really great week, and I will see you next time.